A coronavirus super spreader event at a Charlotte church has turned deadly, and its scope continues to grow. Over the weekend, United House of Prayer on Beatties Ford Road reported 9 positives tied to convocation events earlier this month. Today, the health department says 2 people have died and dozens more are infected. As Vanessa Rufus explains, this type of activity is the main driver of our state's growing trends.
Governor Roy Cooper just announced that North Carolina would stay in phase 3 for 3 more weeks. This is due to rising cases, and new data shows that a big driver is social gatherings and religious gatherings. And sadly, one local instance has just claimed 2 lives. Mecklenburg Public Health says a week's worth of convocation events at United House of Prayer has also infected at least 68 people, looping in 94 close contacts.
And if you have a lot of people coming together over several days, it is very high risk for those kinds of for the virus to spread if someone's there.
And the spread could be wide. Some attendees brought the virus home to a senior living facility, spawning another cluster. Officials think more than 1,000 were at the church that week, some from other states.
The health department have been in contact with several local health departments throughout the state of North Carolina and South Carolina and Georgia, as well as in New York City, to inform them of the potential outbreak at the event, as well as to ask them to monitor for potential cases.
The situation arises as the state surpasses 250,000 total coronavirus cases and more than 4,000 deaths. New data shows religious gatherings, noted in orange, and social gatherings, in light blue, have spurred more clusters in recent weeks. The governor says it shows why we shouldn't let our guard down when interacting outside our own households.
No one wants to spread COVID-19 accidentally to friends or family.
And the health department says anybody who is at the church's events from October 4th to October 11th should monitor for symptoms and get tested. Vanessa Rufus, WCNC Charlotte.